What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video from Bulls to the Wall Trading. Today is Sunday, December 3rd, 2017, and this is going to be my watch list for December 4th, 2017. For those new viewers that might be asking, what is this channel all about? This is a channel that I created in order for me to share what I know about the stock market, and it's really just a tool to encourage people to learn about the stock market, and hopefully to encourage you to give it a shot and to just see that it's really not that hard. So hopefully my videos have been helping you guys out, and hopefully it'll encourage you to take a little look into the markets, and if it's for you, then give it a shot. I am a momentum trader, so I'll go into a detail in a little bit as to what that is. I am a momentum day trader, I should say, so I'll go into detail a little later about that. But I am currently really interested in studying swing trading, and I'll also touch base towards the end of this video about that. I do have some social media accounts. I have a Twitter, which my handle is @BullsToTheWall, and then my Instagram is @BullsToTheWall Trading. And I also have a free, that's right, I said free, chat room through the Discord app. I will leave the link to that chat room in the description of this video. And that chat room is just a group of people that we're just helping each other out. We're discussing stocks. We get everybody's opinion on, what we're trading, or, what a graph looks like, what a chart looks like, a different pattern. So it's always good to get different ideas and different opinions, because I might see something one way, but somebody else might see it a different way. And, you need that perspective. And it's not just about stocks. A couple of days ago, a couple of the guys in there were talking about cryptocurrencies, and it's just really interesting, and it's a good way to learn, whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader, or you just want a different perspective. I encourage you to join. Again, it's free. The only thing that I ask is just be polite and check your ego at the door. We're just there to help everybody out. It doesn't matter your background. With that being said, let's get into my watch list for tomorrow. So, before that, I'm not a financial planner or a financial advisor, so please do your own research before investing in anything. Anything that I just talk about here is just my opinion. Just because something looks good to me does not mean that it needs to look good to you, or that the stock is going to take off, or anything like that. This is just my opinion and what I think is good or bad. So please do your own research. MRDN, we identify the high. I gotta change my tool first. So basically, for momentum trading, what we do is we identify the previous day high, pre-market high, or intraday high, and we draw a resistance line. And what we want is for the price action to come close to that resistance line or cross it with good volume, and we will get in, and then hopefully the price will keep going up. So for this one, MRDN, here we see it spiked up on Friday, and it reached highs of $1.19. So that's where we draw our resistance line. So what we want tomorrow in a perfect situation is for the price to start coming up with good volume. That's the key. Cross this line, and hopefully it'll keep going up. Does that happen all the time? Absolutely not. The price can cross and just rip for about 50 cents, or it could just cross, give you 3 cents, and then come right back down. That's the risk that you're taking when you're investing. You have to be aware of that. Not everything that you invest in, you're going to make money. CYCC is the next one on the list. I have a line drawn here at 204. Let me see if I can find out why. Alright, so there you go. That's the high. Alright, so 204. So it's at around $2. So I always tell you guys the whole dollar amount is a big resistance point. So look where the high is, at exactly $2. It did not go past $2. So I'm going to draw my line there at $2, but I'm also, let me shorten this line up a little bit. It's at 204. But I'm also going to put the 204 line there. Most likely, if I was to get in on this one, I would get in at above 204, because if you get in at $2 or 201, this 204 could get rejected and come back down. So 204 seems to be a better bet. DEPO, this is a previous line, and I'll draw my new line at 714. EKSO, again, I always talk about the $0.50. There you go. No coincidence that it stopped at 250. So that's that. EYES, those lines. These blue lines are from the swing trading trends that I'm doing, but this one's at 147. So I'm gonna draw the purple line, which is for my day trade, at 150 for the $0.50 amount. SRAX at 659, but I have it at 650. Same reason, $0.50. MUX, this one is gapping up, and it's at 205. Hopefully it can stay around there. Announces timing, 10 minutes expiration program and funding. So it has some pretty good news. HK 747. I'm putting it at 750. Whoop. Or I thought I put it at 750. 750, again, a $0.50 amount. AMPE. This is an old line that I will get rid of. So we have our line at 185, but I'm also going to put one at $2. Again, for that. Why isn't it drawing for that? Man. Oh, let's see if it'll do it now. Are you serious? There we go. So I'm also going to put it at $2 for the whole number resistance, for the whole number resistance. ONVO at 170, and I have a previous resistance at 181, so I'll leave that there. PDS, look at this, same thing, $2.99, came close to $3, it never crossed it, so I'm going to put my line at exactly $3. DPW, same situation, I have it at $2 instead of $1.98. OHRP, this is an old line, I will put my line at 139. And MARA, I have my line drawn here at 335 and also at 550 because of that $0.50 resistance. So that is my watch list, my day trading watch list for December 4th, 2017. Now I'm going to show you a couple of the stocks that I have an eye on as far as swing trading. So the difference between swing trading and day trading is swing trading, you really invest in a company or in a stock and you let it play out for a period of time. It could be a couple days, weeks, months, and obviously that's totally different from day trading. Day trading, you buy and sell the same day. What am I doing here? So for some people, swing trading might be more convenient and easier, whereas day trading might be too hectic or too stressful. So you know, I'm looking at swing trading because I in theory it's a little bit easier, it's a little less stressful. So I'm really practicing on swing trading and seeing if my my strategies and everything that I'm doing it would work. So I invested in this company, BTE, and I think I spoke about this on my last video. I bought this one on 11:30, which I think was Thursday, and I bought in at 3:34, which was right here, and it's right now it's at 3:52, and the reason I bought at 3:34 is because it broke the trend that it was on. This down line right here. Let me zoom in right here. So it broke this trend. It closed above the trend, so that was a signal for me to buy. So I bought in at 334 and it's currently at 352. So got to see what it does tomorrow. And I'll just go over some of these right here. GLUU, this is a cup and handle pattern, so I'm waiting for this to come up and cross this line. This looks like a weird cup, but Thinkorswim doesn't have like a free range drawing tool, so I could only make that kind of, it looks like a scoop, not a handle or a cup and handle. TTI, this is pretty basic. It's gonna break the high, so that's something to watch. IDRA, it's in a triangle right here. CLD, same thing right here, that's a trend, just hoping it can break above it. OBE, same thing, you guys can see that there. Let me see, I had one that was a really good one. I think it was NMM. Yeah, so NMM, it's right there, like it's getting ready to hopefully break above this trend line. And if it closes above that trend line, meaning when I say close, I mean the daily candle needs to close above this trend, I would look into buying. But again, I'm not as confident in swing trading as I am day trading, so I'm just trying different things out. By no means does this mean that if that does happen, that the candle does close above this trend, that you have to buy in on it. This is just, I'm just trying different things out, guys. And TGB was the other one that I had. So this one, it's right there, getting ready to, again, hopefully come above. And if it does come above and close, then I might look into getting in on it. You know, and I have more that I'm going to be eyeing this week, so you guys can come back to this video and write some of them down if you're interested in swing trading. But if you are not, if you are more interested in day trading, then this is what you will be looking for. Tomorrow morning, I'll review these stocks and I'll look at the ones that have the best volume and see how the chart looks. And I'll also run a morning scanner to see what's moving up in the morning and pick the best stocks out of that for day trading. So that's my routine. That's what works for me. Hopefully it works for you, and if not, then you need to develop your own style or your own routine. Please, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Leave me any comments. Please give me thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. If there's anything you want to see, if there's any questions, feel free to ask or ask them in our chat room. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that's been watching these videos and everybody that's been subscribing. I am about 2 to 3 subscribers to getting 50 subscribers on my channel. When I started this channel 2 months ago, I didn't think I would make it past 20 people, and to be getting close to 50, that's really, I mean, that's really crazy to me and really amazing. And I know it may not seem like a lot when you compare it to other people that have like thousands or hundreds of thousands, but to have 50 people, to me, that's a pretty big deal. So thank you to everybody that subscribed. Thank you to everybody that's watched my videos. If you enjoy these, please spread the word. Thumbs up, good comments, good vibes. And again, thank you, everybody. Good luck tomorrow, and check back in tomorrow for my watch list for Tuesday. Have a great rest of your weekend, everybody.